Hey guys, it's Rick, this is Jackson, Hayden, Freeze Dry, Arkansas. It's been a minute. I know we really haven't put anything out there. We got a brand new baby, little Hunter Simmons. He's back there sleeping. We had to wait for him to go to bed. But it's 9:30. It's a little late for us. We got school tomorrow, so we're trying to rush this. Neal Family Farms, or a blueberry farm here local to where we live, gave us some blueberries and wanted to see how the blueberries turned out freeze dry. They freeze them and they sell to all the little kids. It's a great local company. I told him I would freeze dry some berries for him. He's gonna smash them up and pour them in honey or something like that. I don't know. It should be pretty interesting. But this is a pretty long run. 14 and 14. So 14 hours freeze. 14 hours of freeze drying. Hold on. You can just turn this.
It will be good. I know it. Because I like blueberries.
Hopefully we'll get some more videos out soon.
With us in it.
With you guys in it.
Yeah. And Hunter.
Oh, and they want the baby in it. So this was a lot of blueberries too.
Yeah.
So. Oh, hear them popping?
Yeah.
That's why they call them popping blueberries. So here's what they look.
Oh.
These were really full trays.
Can I try them?
We got to give them the old smash test here.
Can I try them? No, it's dry.
Oh. Woo.
It's easy to squish them. I think these will be very good.
How are they?
Weird. But very good.
So we've got 4 trays of them. And I haven't even got to try them yet.
They're popping.
How do they taste?
Good here. Tastes like blueberries. What happens if they pop?
Tastes like blueberries, man. Well, look forward to making more videos. We'll be back shortly.